providing this 21910 pizza pedal from FixtureDisplays. In addition to this model, we also have perfect round 12-inch diameter pedal, as well as a square pedal that is of a different type of handle. The pedal comes with a protective film. You want to peel that off before you use it. And the handle assembly is a simple twist arm. I particularly like this handle because it's fairly long, comfortable to grip. The overall length is about 25 inches long and width about 12 inches. The longest measurement on this direction is close to 15 inches. Again, overall length is 25 inches. Come with a nice leather string for hanging. The handle is made from rubber wood. It's a type of hardwood, really lasts for a long time. The pedal itself is made from 1.5 millimeter thick aluminum with a fine, nice brushed finish. I encourage you to browse FixtureDisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@charliesam@FixtureDisplays.com. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.